She's about to. Honey, look. Are you looking?
No.
Get up and look right now.
That's what they do in the movies all the time.
This is her pushing.
Yeah, that's like
There it
crowning.
is. Yeah,
right there
that's her
on the couch,
pushing.
like,
There's another one
She was
crowning.
doing that. I
and
should have
you can see,
known,
like,
man. She was
things kicking in
pushing.
her stomach.
There's a lot of blood. Never saw the
That's what
sound.
your dad did.
Maybe he's.
They were all black.
He must be the one that the water already broke. Man, I can't believe he's alive. Cause she was leaking. I'm telling
And
you.
Grandpa wouldn't lay close to me because every time Grandpa got close to me, then he'd start shaking like crazy. That's my favorite one. I like that one the best. Is that Coraline's favorite?
How clean she gets her.
Mhm.
I'm telling you, you gotta do a whole lot. She cleans herself up.
Oh yeah, they know what to do. They do it out in the wild all the
toy
time.
mouse that needs batteries to make the sound that goes like in baby kittens.
Claws and everything.
Oh, I know.
So what's your guess? How many is she gonna have?
Libby thinks she's gonna have like 3 or 4. I think she's gonna have like 5 or something.
Isn't it cute? I bet he's searching for milk. Like they
Yep,
know.
he is.
They already know.
Evan, she's pushing right now. She's definitely gonna have more than 1.
Oh, the 2.
Dude, Vince, come look. If you stay right here, you
Oh, yeah,
can see
she's
like
crowning.
everything.
It's coming.
Oh, I see it.
What color
I just saw it.
Oh yeah, she had her leg up and then she moved.
I go for
It's a
purple.
ball. Look, you can see it. It's
I don't
right
think
there.
it could be purple. It's
I
white.
don't care.
Have your
I go
hand.
for purple.
My hand? It's
might lose,
it's
but-
right under her tail.
I want to see it. Oh, she just
Brown
covered
and
it.
white.
We're probably gonna get a good view here in a minute.
It's a particularly long
Tell me when it's easy to see. Yell my ear.
They love me. Love me, love me. Everybody's paying attention.
She's a
to
proud
the
mama.
cat. I'm not paying
Oh, he's trying to
attention
find
you.
milk. That's so cute. Oh, his little
I keep
tiny
walking
head.
up
God,
the
they're so
steps and he
small.
Right?
Jesus, if they're that small, she's gonna have like 6.
I'm telling you.
No one cares about me apparently anymore.
So the parents can hold 1 and all of us can hold 1.
Yeah, but we don't touch them yet.
Yeah.
Because they've got to have her scent or she may not take care of them.
I'd get a dog if I knew I'd have one just like you.
Yeah, stop,
Yeah,
Abby,
they
stop.
would.
What?
Yeah, they
You not like have both your legs on top of that thing you're leaning on. Stop.
Yeah, I want one nice and fat and.
Maybe we should just stop crowding her.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Did you win?
Yep.
Cool.
I
Dad
am the
won.
wiener.
I remember there was one episode of Amazing World of Gumball, and he was doing like a Karate Kid thing, and they called him the wiener bunch, and he was in the car one time. He wasn't